Hi everyone, in this video we're going to cut these sticks, make small pieces. Here we are going to paste all of them together, remove the corn husk, now give it shape, cut it. Here we are going to make small pieces and make a beautiful flower out of it. Tie it using a thread. Flower is ready. You can paste all of them together. Your decor piece is done. Cut a circle from this cardboard. Now roll this jute rope around it. Here we are going to use these seeds and make a beautiful flower. Similar way we are going to roll this floral tape. Combine all of them together and look, your beautiful decor piece is ready. In this video we are going to make decor piece, so fold this wire, cover it using jute rope. Now we are going to paste all these bamboo sticks together and roll all of them, make a base like this. Now we are going to make flower using these seeds. Paste all the flowers on the hanging and your decor piece is ready. Here we are going to use these cloth clips, so remove the wire and paste all of them together like we are doing here. Here we are going to make a chair shape, so make the back and seat of the chair. In this video we are going to make rocking chair, so paste all of them together, make the piece, and look, your rocking chairs are ready. Cut this empty container. Now we are going to use these plastic spoons. Color it. Here we are going to color blue shades here. Then paste all of them around the container and look, your beautiful flower pot is ready. Similar way you can make more such flowers like lotus. Let's use ice cream sticks, so make a hole like we are doing here, put a wire. Similar way we are going to put more sticks inside the wire and open it like this. We are going to make flower using the ice cream sticks. Your flower is ready. Now you can also use this refill, paste all of them on the top of this decor piece, color it, and it's ready. Look at this beautiful bright Barbie. Let's make it using this mask. We are going to remove the mask. You can also use this white mask or whatever color you like. Here we are going to make the bride, so we are using this white mask. Add more details, paste this pearl, and look, your bridal Barbie is ready. We are going to make different more such dresses like this blue one, and look how pretty these are looking. Here we are going to fold this printed craft paper. We are making an umbrella, so make small pleats like this, fold it like we are doing here, and turn the paper using thumb. Again we are going to cut it like this, make two such pieces, make cut at the center, open it and put both of them together. Now tug it, paste a handle in the center, open it, and look, your umbrella is ready. Roll this pink yarn around your 3 fingers. Here we are going to make a pom pom ball, so tie it at the center. Now cut it using scissors, give it shape, and make more such colorful pom pom balls. Cut a ring using cardboard, paste all of them, and your wreath is ready. We are going to cover this ring using floral printed craft paper. Cover it from its back as well, cut it and paste it. Now we are going to make cut on this bamboo sticks. Here we are going to paste a beautiful frill at the base. Paste all of them together and look, your decor piece is ready. Roll this yarn around 3 fingers, tie it, cut it, and we are going to make a pom pom ball, comb it, and your flower is ready. Similar way, make its leaves by cutting these crepe paper. Now paste double-sided tape on this container, cover it using yarn, and look, your flower pot and flowers are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.